So this is kind of what we're working with when it comes to the restroom. It's not bad, but it's also like, as you can tell, there's a little bit like of dirt and stuff. Shedding hair and stuff, so there's like a bunch of hair everywhere. Hair everywhere, as you can tell. It's just a little bit dirty, and I want to like deep clean it and just like get things organized, making things look nice. There's like spider webs that I need to get rid of. So this is what we're kind of working with. I'm gonna take you guys with me with cleaning this restroom, so let's go ahead and get started. So these are the 3 products that I'm working with right now. I'm maybe working with my 7th generation multi-purpose cleaner, my Ajax bleach for the toilet and the tub, and then the Windex for the mirror. So yeah, let's get this little concoction going.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a little bit of a voiceover. Sorry if you hear the background, I'm at work and I have an hour free and I decided to edit this video. So I start off always with the toilet and just spraying it down with the Ajax bleach, and then spraying that with the multi-purpose cleaner. As you can tell, like, it's just disgusting, it's so dirty. And I start scrubbing, and I scrub so hard to try to get all like that dusty, dirty like stuff that, you know, goes in the toilet and whatnot. So I'm trying to clean all this up. I did this on a Sunday, trying to do like kind of like a reset, so that the week can feel a little bit better. I'm trying to do this new thing where I'm tackling a different area of the room every single day. So Sunday was kind of like a deep clean, and then throughout the week I'll just, you know, go back and clean up the restroom and just like wipe things down a little so that it just doesn't accumulate and I don't have to do another deep clean for like maybe another month. So that's something that I'm going to be trying to do and see how that works.
So tell me, how will you believe?
a very good job shooting this, I guess, shot, because what I'm doing here is I'm trying to scrub the sink down. However, I didn't have like a disposable sponge that I could use for to clean up the sink, so unfortunately I just had to use paper towels. It's all I have for as of right now, which I know is a waste, but again, I needed to clean this restroom and I didn't have anything else to use, and so I just used what I had at home. And I used a bunch of paper towels, and I just tried to scrub as much as I can. As you can tell, there's like some sort of like rust going around the ring of the drain. I tried my hardest to scrub that off too, nothing was really like working. I just used the multi-purpose spray to like spray the sink down and just like, scrub things off, just scrub back there. There's also a little bit like of rust going on onto the side, as you can tell. So that's basically what I did.